Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You need to let him do it. He'll if you don't need to prompt him. He'll count. Come on, babe. All right, let go. Release. Release. Oh, let go. Let go.
Can you go count for Pippa so she can play with her toy? Go count so that Daddy can throw the toy.
Let go. Let go. Sit. Okay, here we
Are you going to count?
go. All right, ready?
You better count for Pippa.
Ready? Close enough. Okay, ready? No, 1, 2, 3. Ready? Good job. Bring it to me. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Say sit, stay. No, sit, stay.